Hi students, welcome to BUA 231, Advertising, Promotion, and Public Relations. My name is Christy Hughes. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. This particular splash page area is just some general information about the course, where you can connect with me, where you can find the textbook, Cengage. I would encourage all of you to check this out, the Cengage link. It's really kind of interesting because you can get something called Cengage Unlimited. And if you have other classes from the student perspective, it is $119, which a lot of books are that price. I don't generally advocate for books to be that price, but it looks like, you can do 2 terms, and you can access all books depending on how many classes you're taking and if all classes are offering Cengage as the publisher for their books. Many of you, it's not that case, so just don't even worry about that and just get the book, the textbook, in digital format, however you'd like, which actually, if you don't even want the book, you can go to the ebook for $21.99. So you can have access to it until January, which is probably going to be your best bet. You can rent the print book if you want for $23. Obviously, we have this at the bookstore, and I promote that as well. We've adopted it. My office hours, you can find me in the William Atkinson building, room 226D. I'm available mostly Wednesdays are the easiest to find me between 1 and 4:30 p.m. or Friday. You can make an appointment with me. I'm happy to meet with you. Tuesdays, I'm in Hillsdale. Wednesday evening, Adrian. And I will always respond to you between 24 and 48 hours at the most. Generally, you'll hear back from me sooner, but just safeguard. Here's the BUA syllabus. It does include the course calendar. If you have any questions regarding that, that's a contract between you and I. Make sure you take a look at that before you move forward in the course. Each unit, I have not revealed this yet, but each unit actually has a header, which chapter we're going to be working on, which is Creativity, Unexpected but Relevant Selling Messages, this unit. It will have your course outline, sort of what you're going to be working on, the unit outline, excuse me. I'll also have instructions at the very top. That's something that you'll always want to start off reading before you dive into the content. It does have a review of everything that's due and what I expect from that. If you have questions on any of that, if you see some little typos, I do teach 7 or 8 classes a term, so I'm human. So if you do see something, I always appreciate it when students point things out that don't make sense. So before getting upset or freaking out, please bring it up to me so I can make a change, because obviously that's something that I appreciate from you as well. So there'll be resources. So your video for this week is a TED Talks video, and I want you to kind of review that in your assignment down here, and you'll read about that in your expectations for the Unit 1 assignment. Just be sure you read through the instructions and do one thing at a time. For example, the first thing you'll do is you'll introduce yourself in the Icebreaker Forum. Then you probably want to read the chapter, and then the chapter overview, PowerPoint, and then the chapter quiz. And then go to the forum and complete that. This is all about bad taste examples in advertising. It's a discussion. I really want to see most of you, if not all of you, posting by Friday with your initial response. Make sure it's thoughtful, make sure it's respectful of your peers, and make sure it's productive dialogue. Your first post is due by Friday, and then your second in response posts are due by Sunday midnight. The course usually is revealed each Sunday, and then you'll have an entire week till the following Sunday midnight to complete it. So bad taste examples of advertising, and then here is another assignment. This is a writing assignment. It's about the TED Talks video, and you can read about that. Choose 3 important points to review for that TED Talks video. Okay, so with the 40, the 10, and another 15, we're ranging at about 65 points for this unit. So Unit 1 will be revealed right after I complete this video. But generally, each unit will have a resources, a complete, a submit, and a peer support forum. If you post something here, I expect that students and your peers will answer. Please feel free to respond directly to me or ask questions up here. Just put BUA 231 in the subject line. I'll respond fairly quick if you send me a direct email. Sometimes if I'm not getting into this within 24 hours, I might be working up here, grading in the grade book, but not looking here. So I don't want people to think I'm not paying attention. So this is for peer support forum. Please send me a direct email. And I really look forward to working with each and every one of you this term. We're going to have a great term. This is an exciting class with some great subject matter, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. I know many of you are in different programs taking this course. So good luck, have a great term, and I'll see you in the next unit video.